Welcome to the Vocollect inspection application. To continue, say ready.
Ready.
Password?
1, 2, 3.
To start inspection, say ready.
Ready.
Find vehicle Delta Charlie Lima -481. Say ready.
Ready.
Scan VIN. Current odometer?
58332.
58332. Section exterior. Wipers.
Ready. Passed.
Brake lights.
Failed.
Failure?
Crack in driver's side taillight.
Headlights and parking lights.
Passed.
Section engine fluids.
Ready.
Washer fluid.
Failed.
Fill with SuperTech washer fluid.
Ready.
Oil level.
Passed.
Coolant level.
Failed.
Failure?
Leak in radiator.
Section engine parts.
Ready.
Air filter.
Passed.
Belts.
Passed.
Starting tire checks. Left front pressure.
32.
Tread.
15.
Right front pressure.
28.
Adjust pressure to 32 psi.
Ready.
Tread.
14.
Right rear pressure.
28.
Adjust pressure to 32 psi.
Ready.
Tread.
14.
Left rear pressure.
32.
Tread.
15.
Inspection complete.